are going to be doing my porch decor. So if you guys like these types of videos, make sure you are subscribed, and let's go ahead and get into the video.
Gotta love September Saturdays, tailgates and Husker football games, and gotta love being with my friends, and I don't ever want this day to end, 'cause we've been laughing, and we've been living, and we've been hanging. From 9 to 5, but today is our escape from stress, and right now I feel truly blessed, 'cause we've been laughing, and we've been living, and we've been hanging out all weekend, and today's been a damn good day. Best friends always make it that way, and today is as good as it gets. We're having fun and we're never gonna quit.
Alright you guys, so here is my front porch all done. I might also put some railing along the side here, just some fall kind of garland, but I'm not sure yet. But this is what I did for my front door, and I'll go ahead and explain everything here. Okay, so coming on this side here, that galvanized little bucket right there, it just has hand-picked farm fresh pumpkins. That is from Hobby Lobby. And then inside of there I just did some kind of, I don't know, orangish mums, and they are real. And then I did have this lantern already, that is from TJ Maxx. And then I just put some pumpkins in there, and then also just some leaf garland. And then this Hello Fall sign is also from Hobby Lobby. This mat, I cannot remember where I got it from, but it was from last year. And yeah, I'm just not sure exactly what store I got it from, but I'm sure you can find very similar ones. And then on my door I just have our Hello Fall wreath that we did in a DIY, and I'll make sure to put that up above for you guys. Over on this side I just have a straw bale, and that is from Walmart. And then that pumpkin next to it is also from Walmart. And then I just did this for now. I mean, I'm not sure if I'll keep it out, but this is a scarf that I got from my FabFitFun, but I thought it would look so cute out here. And then this is just another real flower. This one is a white mum. And then I just used some corn stalks that I had from our garden and just put those back there. Alright you guys, so that is my front porch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed because my fall house tour is going to be coming soon. Alright, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!